what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Figure I would share this package with you. Something pretty cool. Wanted to share with everybody. We'll talk a little bit about silver and gold as usual. And make sure you can see this. Not open. I don't know why people complain about that. They probably want to show me cutting this. I really don't care, but you know, don't laugh at the scissors. It's all I could find. They're not mine. So been crazy. Wow. Just with oil doing what it did. Got this from Money Metals Exchange. They had an awesome deal going on. So, let me jump this out of the way. Yeah, with oil crashing, and I know personally, this is good. I just feel that gold is a better bet right now. And before I get into this, you know, I am not a financial expert, nor am I trying to be. It's just, and full disclaimer, don't listen, just my opinion. But it's, to me, gold's just better. Gold is better prepared, and you've seen that ever since that big thing came out with the C word. How it's been everywhere, and it's been everywhere, and gold has been steady, and you see everybody has rushed to gold, and there's a reason for that. And I'm not saying, I still think silver is an awesome buy right now. I still think silver has potential, but I would rather own gold than silver. And it hurts to say that. It really does. It hurts to say that. But it's the truth. I mean, I'm going to continue to do both. But I think gold is the way to go right now. I love pre-33 gold. Let me grab this. Yeah, I figured I got my look here. I know it's worth the gold weight. This is a 1901 $10 eagle. Not in bad shape. Looks really good. And cement mark. Not that I can tell. I'm going to check real quick. Feels good. Not much wear. You can see the reed. Pretty cool design. I just love these gold coins. Any gold is awesome to have, so, but, you know, you think about that, 1901, what, 119 years ago? That is wild. So in 1901, I guess we got a Philadelphia, so, yeah, 1.7 million made. And I imagine a lot of them have been melted over that span of 119 years. But again, I like stacking silver. I like stacking gold. And this year I have, like, the last few months, especially the last month, I am getting as much gold as I can. So this is almost a half ounce. I think it's, what is it, 0.48? I believe what it is. Yeah, 0.48375 ounces. 90% gold, 10% copper. But yeah, really picking up the gold, putting it in. Got a few ounces, got more on the way, and I'll share those with you. Also, picking up some platinum. I still think platinum is supposed to be rarer than gold. So that could be a really, really good pickup if you can get it at the right price. I think anything below 900 is decent. If you can get below 800, buy it. Again, full disclaimer, I'm not trying to give financial advice. It's exactly what I would do. But you can't go wrong with gold. And I know a lot of people stacking the silver. I get it. I love silver too. I stack Eagles, 90% junk, the whole 9 yards. It's just silver seems to always be stuck in that range, even when it hits the fan. We've seen gold, up to, I believe right now, 1,700 an ounce, and silver's still back in 15. Silver still hasn't recovered to where it was before the crisis. It was around 17, 18, back and forth. It should be up there, and it's not. It's been struggling back down to 14, 15 right now. And I just think gold is a better way to go. So, and I'm not the only one. If you look at what investors are doing, banks are doing, they're going to gold. There's a reason. So, I think it's the right move. It's what I'm doing. But again, that's a decision you guys have to make for yourself. So, but hope you enjoyed this beauty, and I will catch you on the next one. And if you haven't yet, be sure to like, subscribe. Would love to have you on the channel, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. See ya. Big shout out to Money Metals Exchange. Had some awesome deals on the gold. Got a really fair price. It was accurately described. This is definitely an AU gold piece. So shout out to them. There's their number. They're online too. Go holler at them. All right, guys. Catch you later.